Hi Abarcans! During this video, we're going to show you how to get started in the Banco Popular platform by setting up your contributions and how to make changes in the future. Once you receive the enrollment confirmation from the Talent Benefits team, you will be calling Banco Popular's customer service to complete the registration at the phone number at the screen. Option 2 3 times. Be ready to provide the following information. The customer service representative will provide you with a temporary password to access the platform. Once in the platform login page, make sure to select Participant as login credentials. It will automatically take you to establish a new password and then to update your contributions. Type the percentage you're interested in contributing every pay period, including pre-tax and post-tax contributions. If not interested in post-tax contributions, type 0. In this page, it is important to click the Submit button and wait for confirmation. This will be your dashboard where you can track what you have contributed and see also Abarca's contributions. In case you need help or assistance, contact the Talent Benefits team at talentbenefits@abarcahelp.com and we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.